Hello, dear students. Before starting today's class, I would like to appreciate the tenacity, the efforts you all have made. You are really picking up and organizing your study stuff better than earlier. Keep doing, my dear students. So, let's start. Newspaper report, which is the second part of report writing. So far we have done magazine report, and today we are going to do newspaper report writing. So let me tell you the layout of newspaper report writing. So, like magazine report, here also comes heading. After heading, there comes byline along with the designation. Then comes date and place, which was not mandatory in magazine report writing, but in newspaper report writing it is absolutely mandatory. Then comes opening paragraph, which should be very short, and then comes account of the event. And what is different part here is witness remarks. Here, who were the witnesses? Their remarks, their observation is very important, which we are writing here in the second para. That will be further divided into two para. Then comes conclusion. Let me tell you more clearly. So, listen, dear students, very clearly. Headline. First of all, we have the title or the headline. So your headline should be descriptive, means it should be clear. Its content should be clear from its title only. Then comes byline. As you know, because you have done in your magazine, write magazine report writing. Here also we write the name of the person who is writing the report along with the designation. It is generally given in the question. Remember, you are not supposed to mention your personal details in newspaper report also. So, bacha, next, place and date of reporting. It is very important here in newspaper writing, which was not important in magazine writing. So here you will mention the place and place and date of reporting. It is generally, as I've told you, not important in magazine report separately, but here we'll be mentioning. So then comes opening paragraph. It includes expansion of the headline. Here we are expanding, mean enhancing the headline. It needs to be very short as it is a journal overview of the report. Then comes account of the event in detail. It is a very important para of report writing. So it is generally written in two parts. First, complete account of what happened in its chronological sequence, means in an order, and then the second para will consist of witness remarks, means witness observation. What were the observation of the people who were present there? So their remarks, their observation will be writing in the second para. And then comes the last and the ending and the concluding para. This will include the action that has been taken so far, means the tragedy has happened, what action has been taken after the tragedy, or what action will be taken. So this will come, it is the last paragraph. Some more examples you will have in next video.